UTCG2IDNYHM. This particular iteration of the Air Jordan 1 Low is characterized by its clean and classic construction. The base of the sneaker is composed of smooth white leather, providing a crisp and versatile canvas that allows the shoe's standout feature to pop. The titular green suede overlays are the highlight of this design. This lush, hairy light green suede covers every overlay from the heel to the toe, offering a textural contrast that is both visually striking and tactily pleasing. The